All right, nature lovers, get ready to test your knowledge against the natural world's toughest questions. Prove your animal genius right now.
Which bird holds the record for fastest flight? What is the largest living organism on Earth? Halfway through, is your brain feeling wild yet? Let's keep exploring. What unique feature defines a marsupial's birth process? Which desert is the largest hot desert globally? What process do plants use to create their food? Incredible job, nature explorer. How many did you conquer? Your wild wisdom is showing. Follow for more daily quizzes and challenge your brain every day.